Hi, I am Revati Kasture. I am the Chief General Manager and Head of Grading and Research Services at CARE Ratings, the second largest rating agency in India. Internationally, debt markets are much bigger than equity markets, so equity markets are much more tracked. However, in India, it's the reverse. The equity markets are bigger, at least the listed equity markets are bigger than the capital markets on the debt side. Of course, there are a lot of efforts being taken to revive the debt side of the markets, but the truth of the story is that credit in India is typically done at by the banks, whether it is a long-term or a short-term credit. And credit, that takes us to the area of credit risk analysis. Credit risk analysis is an extremely niche area, an area of expertise on the subject, which is typically not taught in the B schools or in the professional education programs in India, or maybe in some Asian markets too. And we at CARE Ratings face this typical dilemma of hiring a B school graduate or a professionally qualified finance professional, and then giving an extensive training to the person, which kind of takes a lot of time for him to perform on the job. And that's why we were thinking about how to address this issue of making a program on credit training, which a student can take if he decides to be in the chosen field of credit analysis, and then that can close the gap between academia and industry and will help industry hire people who are pre-trained. That's when AIWMI and CARE Ratings got together to formulate design a course on credit risk analysis and assessment. So the content for the course is designed at CARE Ratings, and the program is launched under the aegis of AIWMI. This is a certification program which is available by way of examinations on the National Stock Exchange. I believe it's an extremely comprehensive program which will help a finance professional who wants to tap or go to the credit side of the markets, and who wants to work in a bank in the credit or risk departments, wants to work in a rating agency, in a mutual fund on the debt side, or in the knowledge process outsourcing credit related firms in India or abroad, so that he hones his skills on the subject even before he gets on to the job. I urge you to visit our websites to get more information about this course, and I'm sure that you will find it relevant. We at CARE Ratings look forward to hiring trained CCRA graduates in future. Thank you so much.